Is it harder for women to keep a seat?
Is it harder?
Are the public more critical?
Well, Andrea, let's be honest about it. Like even the comments this morning, the fact that you tweeted out that we were having the conversation today, the commentary would be about it, like, I was rejected by the electorate, I was rejected for the Senate, and here she is getting a Taoiseach's nominee. That sort of thing. Does that, maybe it happens to the men as well, but by Jesus, I feel I get a fair share of it. I feel I get it. When I got nominated by the Taoiseach, I was delighted to be nominated to the Seanad. He knows the value I'll bring to the Seanad. But at the same time, I was looking down through all the other people that got nominated as well, and I was going, oh my God, this is embarrassing for me now and for the poor Taoiseach, because I have 200, 300 comments under me, and not one of them is really a positive one. There was about 300 negative comments, everything to do from rejection to your weight to how you look. I think I was equated to Miss Piggy. I was equated to Shrek's wife, and thank God I am thick-skinned. So for all of you who feel that the pile-on will drive me out of politics, let me tell you today, it won't.
It's very hard, though, Anne. Like, you're human. I've had some, I've had some experience of that kind of commentary myself, and like, let's call a spade a spade. It's hard. Like, it is hard.
It's hard and it's targeted. Would it be as much at the male side of it? I don't know, because I'm a female and I'm receiving it as a female. But do they, like, but when I look down at the profiles of the flowers and the thorns and the thistles of the emblems that are there to refer to these people, and I'm going, do you give it the same baton to everyone? I don't know.